Alright, so this is the next section. It says Systems Word Problem, and it is, again, worth 10 points on your exam tomorrow. It says Paulina wants to purchase jelly beans for a friend. The cost for jelly beans at Fun Factory is $5 per pound. That seems important. $5 per pound. Plus an additional charge of $2. Candy World charges $3 per pound, plus an additional charge of $26. So which system of equations can be used to determine the number of pounds? Okay, the number of pounds is X when the companies would charge the same price, Y. And so it's asking for the same price, which gives us a clue that we want to find that solution to our system. So we have two different, stores here. We have Fun Factory and we have Candy World. So we have to write two different equations. So here it says $5 per pound. That per pound is our clue that that's what we're going to be multiplying with here with our variable, which in this case is an X. So that per each and every, it tells us that that's an X. So here we have 5X, and it gives us the key word plus an additional $2. So for Fun Factory, the equation is going to be Y equals 5X plus the additional charge of $2. There's our first equation. Our second equation for Candy World has $3 per pound. So again, that keyword per tells us that's going to be what we multiply, plus an additional charge of $26. And so we have Y equals 3X plus that additional charge of $26. So now we have our system of equations. These are the two equations that we want. So here it says find the answer by using the calculator. Okay, it tells you exactly what to do. So you're going to go into your calculator, Y equals, clear whatever's there, and you're going to type in 5X plus 2 and Y1, and you're going to type in 3X plus 26, and enter. And so it says use the calculator, don't forget to zoom out. So if we go and we look at our graph, we can see one of our equations, but can we see the solution? We cannot, right? Because they go off the graph. And so it gives us the clue. It says don't forget to zoom out. So I'm going to hit this button where it says zoom, and I'm going to hit zoom, and then where it says zoom out, I'm going to hit 3. I hit enter, and now we can still not see our solution, so I'm going to hit zoom, and I'm going to zoom out again, and hit enter. Now we can see our solution. But remember, we're so far zoomed out that we can't just rely on the way the graph looks in our calculator. And so it says find the answer by looking at the graph. It's very hard to see it. So there's a trick on your calculator to do this. And so you hit second, trace, and you go down to where it says intersect, because that's what we care about, right? The solution is where our lines intersect. So I hit enter, and you just hit enter, enter, enter. And it tells you that the intersection point is at 12 and 62. So by looking at our graph, we know that the intersection point is at 12, 62. Now we're going to verify that. We're going to go check that by looking at our table. So I hit second graph, and I'm going to scroll to where my answers are the same. So let's make sure that it kind of gives us a clue because we know we're looking for the 12 in our X value. So I'm going to scroll to 12. We have 12, 62, and 62. So that tells us that because these two values are the same, that that's where our solution is. So in our table, we verified that it is 12, 62.